next big thing coming hard at the bars. Rappers falling off with the bars and the cars. Next hot charts with the songs that I jot. Rappers going soft on my card, there's markers. Up against me is a flop, so the god. Not a god, but a star at my nuts. Yeah, like I when I'm on the law. Can I stop stations to shoot my shot? The next big thing coming hard at the bars. Rappers falling off at the bars and the cars. Next top charts with the songs that I jot. Rappers going soft on my card, there's markers. Up against me is a flop, so the god. Not a god, but a star at my nuts. Yeah, like I when I'm on the law. Can I stop stations to shoot my shot? Just thinking about life and all I've done. Principal personality, what's the better one? You see me as diamond. Why I'm dead and buried, I just wish we could talk, but it gets it's late. The scissors on mic when I pin my pain. I'm losing power, don't melody shit and don't mark my words. I'm not for autistic, make Beatrice herself as a piece of the piece. Just isn't enough, don't plead for the piece of the piece. Isn't cut, infinite selfie cams, we never reflect. Seeing the soul, but not the soul, isn't correct. You play with the verse, but the abstract, I'm getting bread. That shit's a jam-packed gift, imprint to my soul. While I can laugh that I don't like a point of view from a blind eye, especially if they use to kill a nice guy. The smoke not for the long so out of touch foes. Don't wanna clash foes, don't want the wrong foes. Glow, but I'm the one. My lines are so magical. These kids know I got the antidote. Homies are famished those when my skills spill my catalog. God chose so to compose these hard notes of hard flows of gospel. So I got the time of day, so I gotta find a way to get this all bars on the song charts. I'm a long shots, but never wanna fall off. So if you think I'm gonna fail, then you thought wrong. So the next big thing coming hard at the bars. Rappers falling off with the bars on the cars. Next top charts with the song that I jot. Rappers going soft on my card, there's markers. Up against me is a flop, so the god. Not a god, but a star at my nuts. Yeah, like I when I'm on the law. Can I stop stations to shoot my shot? The next big thing coming hard at the bars. Rappers falling off with the bars on the cars. Next top charts with the song that I jot. Rappers going soft on my card, there's markers. Up against me is a flop, so the god. Not a god, but a star at my nuts. Yeah, like I when I'm on the law. Can I stop stations to shoot my shot? First in tertiary, what am I in for? You thought you see me flex with the same being, but no. Lot of J for this reasonable doubt. I don't like shit, so I don't go outside with some rap songs. I'll give me cash long. Bursts of violence, vacancy, vanishing in high velocity, young prodigy. Honestly gives no apology. Abuse the confused man, Bruce, say why. But truth is true too, those shoes allow, live the juice. If you choose to suck aside, reflects to the test. But forget, he's got some Mississippi, young bull, he's young with the tongue, but the bulb, he's bright, he's mine. Lines with the lines of what light the mind. Fictional figures, fix unfixing they physical futures. Soul is a pole with the poems and opposed to poems filled with broken notes. Mother Earth, third beat, planet of the apes, if she let me Caesar. And touches are constantly coded in consonants across the continents. Consumers confused but cautious when they cop the consciousness. So
not American, they could be fused by the stripes. I'm a con, I fuse rock with the rhymes. Doesn't rap with class and that heals the mind. Misogyny became monology, monogamy became monopoly. Feeling so blue that it makes out. Prayed I fell where you missed our soul.
The next big thing coming hard at the bars. Rappers falling off with the bars on the cars. Next top charts with the song that I jot. Rappers going soft on my card, there's markers. Up against me is a flop, so the god. Not a god, but a star at my nuts. Yeah, like I when I'm on the law. Can I stop a stations to shoot my shot? The next big thing coming hard at the bars. Rappers falling off with the bars on the cars. Next top charts with the song that I jot. Rappers going soft on my card, there's markers. Up against me is a flop, so the god. Not a god, but a star at my nuts. Yeah, like I when I'm on the law. Can I stop a stations to shoot my shot?
Birth of the greatest nigga, motherfucking greatest. Imautut soulful ni nabangazi. This beat by the one and only K2 Godly. Izoti. Few words for you. The big thing. The next big thing. Lokoge for the bitches who doubt my brother. Fuck y'all. Jayam.